Now friends, let us understand the geometrical meaning of the zeros. Now see, if I have the polynomial as 2x plus 3, then if I put the value of x as minus 2 and value of x as 2, then y is equal to 2x plus 3. I have defined this polynomial in terms of y. Therefore, y is equal to 2 in bracket minus 2 plus 3, means I have taken this minus 2, value of x is minus 2, then minus 4 plus 1 is minus 1. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 in bracket 2 plus 3, means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now if I plot these points on the graph, here it is origin, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So my first point is for x equal to minus 2, y is minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1, and second point is 2 and 7. So minus 2 minus 1 means minus 2 on x-axis and minus 1 somewhere here. This point is minus 2 minus 1. And second point is 2 comma 7. So 2 comma 7 means somewhere here. So this point is 2 comma 7. Then I will draw a line which is passing through the point. Now this line intersect x-axis at some point. So this is called as 0 of the polynomial. Now this intersection or geometrical meaning of the line, now this was the simple polynomial. Now in some of the example you may get the curves like this, okay, some curve may be like this. Now in the examination question may be there, write down the number of zeros for the given curve. This question is many times asked in the examination for 1 mark. Now let us see how many times this curve intersects x-axis. So how many times it is intersecting? It is intersecting for 2 times. So 2 zeros are there for this particular curve. What about this? This curve is intersecting x-axis at one point. So 1 0. Now let us take two more examples. See, exercise 2.1 is there. Now this exercise, now here, now this is the line which is intersecting y-axis, means no zeros. So this particular curve or line does not have any zeros. Then if I take the another example, now here it is cutting the y-axis or intersecting at one point, so 1 0. Okay. So likewise you can find out the number of cuts or number of intersects by the particular curve or line and determine the number of zeros. This part is also very important as far as examination is concerned.